This is Kevin and Baba.
Yeah.
This Baba, a toast to the new year. Happy New Year, my
Happy New
brethren.
Year.
This to the
Rice
family.
and peas and chicken.
We'll
And...
eat some food. Wishing you greetings and Happy New Year.
Yeah.
You know, come back home soon and get some of Baba style food yourself. Oh, Baba, me taste the ginger.
Taste the ginger.
Yes, yes, no. Wait.
You want to be?
Yes.
You see the one left in the bucket tomorrow? I hit a good taste of ginger.
Oh, yeah, soak it in there.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, it a go blend nice.
I hit a good nice. This is just half of the top, you know. The cream down the bottom.
Tomorrow for the second for the new year, we're going deeper in the Sahel.
Deeper in the Sahel.
We pick it up bush, we do it Jamaicans, family, enjoy the life.
Yeah.
Come back to the home country and enjoy yourself. Spend some time with Baba and enjoy life. Signing out, Happy New Year. Alright, first day, second day, we're going deeper in the Sahel.
Deeper in the Sahel.
Give thanks, Baba.
Hold on.
What do you say? Now, Baba, break out the Sahel now. Let me eat my country food, my fresh rice. Boy!
A Sahel that you know.
Whoa, Baba. And so you leave it.
A Sahel that man.
But no me did pick them there.
I hit man.
I wasn't never so much. Me pick Sahel the whole day. The whole day me pick Sahel. That's why me drink this like a Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
They make me drink Sahel like a Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
It's so abundant. Don't you say? Me say when you drink Sahel like a Kool-Aid. I say you drink some Sahel. They not God give away.
Oh man, nature's of God, man.
Boy.
Natural food.
And me pick all of the Sahel. So people, love, honor, blessings from creation. Baba creation, God creation. Give thanks.